In this video, I will show you how to create a pie on Trading 212. So to do this, first go and open up the Trading 212 app or website, and what you want to do is just head over to your portfolio. Now from there, under your investments, click New Pie, and here you have three options. You can create a custom pie, a model, or a social. So social is where you will find pies that were made by other Trading 212 users. For example, the top one is the almost daily dividends one, but you have a bunch of them here. Now I'll just create a custom one, so then you can click Add Instruments. Then here you can select what you want to invest in. For example, if I want to go and invest in Google, and then I can just click Add to Pie. And then I can again click plus. Now, for example, if I want to do ASML, I can search for that and just click plus. Then let's say I want to do Duolingo, then I can go to search for Duolingo and just add that in there as well. Then once you have all the positions you want, click on the arrow and then choose the amount you want of all of them. So for example, I'll do 30%, 30%, and 40%. And then from there, click next. Then you can do auto invest, where you invest in an automatic schedule, or you can do it manually. I'll do manual. And from there, you can choose how much you want to invest, then click next. And then if you don't have it in your account yet, you will need to deposit first, and then it will be invested into this pie. But basically, after you invest in it, you have then created the pie. So now you know how to create a pie on Trading 212. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.